All right, hi all. Hope you're being safe and responsible. I hope you're enjoying some time with family and just staying safe. Um, this is a video to help you log into Holt McDougal. A lot of our online assignments will be given through Holt McDougal, and many of you are familiar with that, but it's a little bit of a unique way to log in now since you're not on the Delta County School District Network, okay? So this is going to be a little reminder for you. We'll upload it to the Google Classroom. So if in case you forget, you have a brain fart somewhere down the road, you can just find it in your Google Classroom under materials. Um, this I've already kind of started this. So if you kind of look at, I'm on the Google web page and I just Google search Delta County School District. Okay. And so if you do that, you should get these kinds of options. And the first thing I want you to do is I want you to click on Delta County School District 50J. All right, and this will take you to our home screen. Okay, and this is all a lot of information that your parents and you can use. But for today, we're going to go to schools, and you're going to go to Delta Middle. All right, so you just kind of hover over that. All the school districts, or all the schools in the school district are here. You're going to find ours at Delta Middle. All right, and then this is our home page. A lot of important information here about what's going on. Please take a look at this web page for any important information. But for today's assignment, and when logging into Holt McDougal, you're going to scroll down until you see this Go Math emblem here. All right, and it just says click here, and you're going to do exactly what it says, and it's going to take you, boom, to our Holt McDougal online website. And then you'll type in your username and password, and again, you'll look for your assignments down at the bottom. All right. If you have forgotten your Holt McDougal or your Go Math online password or username, please email your math teacher, Mr. Kindig, Mr. Holmes, or Mr. Carlton, and we will email you directly your username and password. Please do not reset it because it has to be reset through us, and then it makes things very interesting. So if you would just email one of us or Google Hangouts, we'll do our very, very best to be very prompt and get a hold of you quickly. And so, yeah. So again, this is just a tutorial on how to get to Holt McDougal online. If you don't have a problem with it, it's great. But if you just type in myhrw.com, it's not going to work. You need to follow the steps that we just put in front of you because you have to use the Delta County School District's network. So again, please do not just type in myhrw.com and try to go from there. You need to follow the steps I just showed you. And if you have any questions, just feel free to email me or Google Hangout me or whatever you can to ask your question, and I'll do my best to get a hold of you. Good luck. Hope all is well, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.